How was your weekend?
It was good, pretty quiet.
Another week, another security update. IT never gives us a break. As long as they don't make us reset passwords again.
I just memorized the last one.
All right, let's get this week started. Hopefully, no surprises. That's weird.
Come on, not today.
Hey, Tony. I think my system just locked up.
Again? Let me check.
Did you hear about it? I'm not sure what's going on.
Anyone else having issues with their files?
Unauthorized encryption detected. Immediate containment required. What the hell? What's happening right now? Somebody get IT on this!
Mark, what's happening?
Ransomware attack. They locked everything down, and they just killed my admin privileges.
Okay, nobody panics. First, we isolate the infected systems, shut down all external network connections. Mark, get a backup restoration plan ready.
That's the thing. If they locked me out, they probably took over the backups too.
Then we need a new plan.
Is this one of those cyber attacks you hear about on the news?
Yeah, and it looks bad.
Look at them, running like headless chickens. They'll pay. They always do.